we gonna add in our cold brew coffee. It's a little pizzazz to the cup. So now that the coffee's in there, we're going to pour some of this chocolate caramel coffee creamer from Walmart. Okay, and we're gonna just dab it in just like that. Okay. We're gonna take a plastic knife because we don't like washing dishes. And we're gonna stir that baby up. And there we go. We have the deliciousness of the cup of coffee that I have just created. Blessed be the. Then after that, we want a little more, I don't know. But we're going to add the French vanilla coffee mate. But it's my favorite ever. So we're gonna just, hold on. We're going to just pour some in there just like that. And then one more for good luck.